We discovered another picture-perfect cafe in Baguio City. Meron itong garden and bonfire area and it's also an ideal co-working space. Meron silang board and card games at meron ding play area for the kids. The place is called Koco Cafe. Ang ganda nito sa umaga under the morning sun at sa gabi, very enchanting naman yung mga night lights. Pet-friendly rin sila, 100% sustainable at meron ding daily acoustic performances. Ito ang mga in-order natin for dinner at syempre, iisa-isahin natin yan. Starting with their Coco Garden Salad. Meron yung fresh greens, strawberries and oranges, dried berries, walnuts, cheese, and then yung dressing niya parang strawberry vinaigrette. It's fruity, very light, and super fun to eat. Up next naman yung savory beef sandwich with fries. The beef is cooked with something of a barbecue sauce with lots of bell peppers and onions. It's almost like a fajita pero walang cumin. After that, we're having some chicken quesadilla with their homemade cheese sauce and salsa. And then meron ding ketchup for the fries. If anything, I would say their cheese sauce is a little bland for me, but the quesadilla itself is good, tapos perfect match pa doon sa salsa. Nag-order din tayo nitong all Filipino breakfast. Meron niyang tuyo, longganisa, tinapa, itlog na maalat, fried eggplant at kamatis. Parang purple rice yata yung ginamit nila dito and then syempre meron ding vinegar. It's everything I want in a Filipino breakfast. Pagdating sa drinks, winner yung mga na-order natin. Unang-una itong Matcha Latte. It's smooth and milky with just the right amount of sweetness. Tapos sa iced tea naman, ito yung strawberry calamansi. It's super fruity and refreshing. Ito yung favorite ko sa lahat ng mga in-order nating drinks. And last but not least, ito yung kanilang tres leches coffee na literal na merong leche flan on top. The owners of Koco Cafe aim to keep this a community that's a safe haven for everybody. So on your next trip to Baguio City, itry nyo na rin sila and enjoy!